Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem with a Vaillant EcoFit Pure boiler with an F28 fault. So if you've got an F28 fault on your boiler, it's an ignition lockout on your boiler. So what I'm going to do is grab myself a little container like so. That's just to catch a little bit of water. If you're not 100% confident on doing this, please do call a plumber or a gas safe engineer to do this for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this flexible rubber hose here that's connected to this white pipe, and we're going to divert that into a tub or container. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of water. That is because it is currently -5 outside and this condenser has frozen, meaning it's backing up into the boiler and the boiler has gone into lockout, saying that there's water in the boiler and it can't then fire. So with the F28 fault still showing on the screen, what you're then going to do is press and hold this flame symbol underneath, which is going to reset the boiler like that. Hold that for about 5 seconds till it says reset, then you can let go. The boiler is then going to fully reset and it's going to start its ignition sequence. As you can see in there, there is quite a bit of water, which means the boiler condense has locked out. And as you can hear, the boiler is starting to fire up. It's just going through its sequence, including running the pump and the fan. Then you'll see the flame logo on the left hand side and you'll hear it start to fire up. As you can see, the flame logo has appeared and the temperature is starting to go up. So next, what I'm going to do is then divert that overflow into a bowl and keep an eye on it while it's in a cold spell, just so the boiler can still run. And then once the temperature increases outside, we can then reconnect that and carry on as normal. I hope this video has helped. Please do subscribe to the channel. There is plenty of videos on the channel. So as you can see, you've just diverted that into a washing up bowl and it's getting nice and warm. If this video has helped, do give it a like and a comment. But for now, I've been Wallace Plumbing and I'll see you around soon.